Beautiful looking hair in just 9 seconds. Flaky, sensitive, dry scalp. Overprocessed, damaged hair. Severe hair loss. CCLIMGLAM's hair and scalp double action treatment straightens your scalp cleanly without irritation, restores your damaged hair back to smoothness, and provides your hair with super volume, overall improving the health index of your scalp and hair. With the use of 100% plant-based differentiated core components, including 18 kinds of hair core amino acids, dexpanthenol, asparagine, a patented S-complex for restoring the smoothness of the hair, and porphyridium cruentum, a patented raw material that cleanly straightens the scalp and hair roots without irritation. It's the perfect hair cleaning solution for the scalp and hair. In addition, it contains an energy-free fruity floral musk fragrance for a fragrant scent. A mild pH treatment that protects the scalp. A functional product that helps alleviate hair loss symptoms that provides care for the scalp and hair at the same time. The liquid to cream double action treatment is a water-type ampoule that changes into a cream upon contact with water. It effectively delivers the active ingredients in the liquid state and smoothly coats the hair as a cream. Silicone-free, residue-free, with menthol for a cool and refreshing effect that'll even brighten your mood. Just 9 seconds a day, every day for a healthy scalp and rich and beautiful hair. Experience professional salon care from your scalp to your hair. CCLIMGLAM's hair and scalp double action treatment. It's time you start taking care of your scalp and hair.